Dear student, today we will discuss about the topic closed chain compounds. In our previous videos, we have completed the open chain compounds and types of open chain compound. We have completed just like alkane, alkene, alkynes, alcohol, alkyl halide, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, ether, amines, and so on. Uncountable number of open chain compounds are there, and all the compounds we have discussed one by one in that particular previous videos. So today we are going to complete the topic. We will discuss something about the closed chain compound. Now dear students, question arises, closed chain compound means what? In our last previous videos we have studied the compounds, open chain compounds are of two types, saturated compounds and unsaturated compounds. Saturated compounds means single bonded compound. Unsaturated compounds means double bonded compounds or the triple bonded compounds. Okay. So in this way, the saturated and unsaturated compounds were there in which compound? In the open chain compound. Now, what is meant by closed chain compound? Closed chain compounds, name only indicate closed chain. Okay. So closed chain compound, these are also called as, it has another name also. These are also called as ring compound. These are also called as ring compound, or these are in the form of cyclic form, and that's why these are also called as cyclic compounds also. So closed chain compounds are also called as ring compound, and these are also called as the cyclic compounds. Okay, now these cyclic compounds or these ring compounds, these are of saturated compounds or the unsaturated compound. Okay, now we will discuss in detail afterward. These are either saturated means single bonded, or unsaturated means double bonded or the triple bonded compound. And the very important fact is that the two terminals of the carbon join together. Two terminal of the carbon join together. For example, if I am writing here 4 carbon atom. So just to see, 4 carbon atoms are there, but they are not in the straight change. They are in the form of the ring. So they are joined together. Okay. So two terminal of carbon joined together in this particular closed chain compound. Now these are joined together either in the form of the branch compound or unbranched compound. Okay. Branch or unbranched compounds. Now branch means, unbranched means what? Now just to see, here only 4 carbons are there. Extra ring is not there, single ring is there. Next ring I am writing, just to see here, I am writing 5 carbon atom. Okay. They are also in the close one single ring only. Then again I am writing here how many carbon I am writing. I have written here the total 6 carbon atom. All are in the close ring. Okay, so now these are the compound. Which compound? These are the unbranched compound, because here the compounds are unbranched. Extra compounds, extra carbon is not there. Now how is the branch compound will be formed? Just to see, if I am writing here how many compound carbon? 6 carbon I have written here. Here one carbon is sharing the another bond, another branch has been started, and that's why such a compounds are called as what? Such a compounds are called as the branch compounds. So got my point? Which are the particular compounds? The compounds, these open chain closed chain compounds are the saturated compounds or unsaturated compound. Saturated means, now here I have written the single bonded compound. It can be double bonded also, alternate double bond also. Suppose I have written instead of single bond, I have written here alternate double bond. So these are the, this is unsaturated compound. So these are the saturated or unsaturated. And two terminals, this is the first carbon and this is the last carbon. So two terminals of the carbon join together with the help of the particular bond, and that's why these are called as the closed chain compound. Either these are the branch compound or the unbranched compound. Okay, so this is called as the closed chain compound. Now these closed chain compounds are further divided into two parts. Now which are the two parts? Let us see which are the two parts. So first compound, and first compound is called as alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound. Okay. Alicyclic compound. And second is called as, that is called as aromatic compound. aromatic compound. Okay, so first is called as alicyclic compound, second is called as aromatic compound. Now what is mean by alicyclic compound? Alicyclic compounds are the saturated, these are the saturated means single bonded compound, saturated ring compounds. Okay, first family member of the alicyclic compound is, suppose this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Our carbon is the tetravalence, because already we have discussed about it. Carbon shows the tetravalency. So first of all, we will just complete the bonds, tetravalence. So 4 bonds. This carbon has 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 and 4 bond. This carbon 1, then here 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All the carbon has the tetravalency and all the hydrocarbon has sharing the valency with a rest valency with a hydrogen. So now here I have written 3 carbon. According to alkane, the name of the 3 carbon, methane, ethane, propane, means 3 carbon means the propane. Okay. So name according to alkane, name is propane, and here it is which form? Cyclic form, and that's why the name of the compound is cyclopropane. So first family member of the alicyclic compound is cyclopropane. Okay, now second family member. Which will be the second family member? If I will write down 4 carbon atom, carbon, carbon, how many carbon? 4 carbon atom. Bonds are shared by the carbon and hydrogen. Okay, now these are the hydrogen. 4 carbon, just 8 hydrogens are there. Now according to the alkane, 4 carbon means methane, ethane, propane, butane. Okay, so methane, ethane, propane, butane. But this is cyclic form. So what is the name of the compound? Name of the compound is the cyclobutane. Okay, now next one, third one. If I'll write down 5 carbon. Okay, so here in this way total 10 hydrogen, 5 carbon, 10 hydrogen. Name, if we will understand, we will write down the name. 5 carbon means methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Okay, the main, so pentane, cyclic form, and that's why name of the compound is cyclopentane. Okay, now if I will write down hexane, 6 carbon. Now 6 carbon. Okay, 6 carbon. It share with how many hydrogen? 12 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Name of the compound, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and hexane. Now this name of the compound is hexane. Which hexane? Cyclic form, and that's why name is the cyclohexane. So if in this way we can just proceed further. So first of all, alicyclic compounds are saturated compounds, single bonded cyclic compounds. First family member of the carbon having the 3 carbon, and that's why name is cyclopropane. Second family member cyclobutane, third family member cyclohexane, and fourth family member cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopropentane and cyclohexane. So these are about the particular alicyclic compound. Now the next comes the aromatic compound. Now what is the mean by aromatic compound? That we will see. Aromatic compounds are, both the things are here, saturated also and unsaturated also. Okay, both the things are present here, because here alternate double bonds are present, and here the first family member is the 6 carbon compound, and the first family member, if I will write down 6 carbon means, yes, 6 carbon I have written. Alternate double bonds are there. Alternate double bond means, if suppose here I have given 1 bond double alternate, 1 single, 1 double, 1 single, 1 double. Okay, and now other valence is shared by the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. 1 valence is shared by hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. Fourth valency share by hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, fourth valency share by hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, here also fourth valency share by hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, here also, and 1, 2, 3, here also. If we will write down the molecular formula, we can write down the how many carbon? 6 carbon. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. So molecular formula is C6H6, and structural formula, this one is the structural formula, and the name of the compound, first family member, name of the compound is the benzene. Very important solvent in our laboratory. Without this particular solvent, we can't able to perform our practicals in our laboratory. So first family member is the benzene. Okay. Now the second family member. If we want to write down the second family member, double ring, and this is denoted by, this particular ring can be denoted by 2-3 ways. Just to see, it is denoted by like this hexagon, and this is called as ring formula of benzene, or it is also denoted by the particular structure where I have given the double bond. I have given the double bond here, here, and here, and that's why these are all the structure of what? These are all the structure of the benzene only. Now double carbon atom. Double carbon atom, this is called benzene ring. So now double benzene ring. Just to see, first ring, how many carbon? 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then another benzene ring. Now these are the branch compound. So now double benzene ring. Now double bond, alternate double bond we need to give. One bond. Now one single, another double, one single, another double. Here one single, here double, one single and double, then single and double. Isn't it? Now first of all, we have to fill up the bond so that valency will be satisfied. Now remaining bonds we need to share with the hydrogen. Count the bond, otherwise the particular structure will be wrong. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, fourth will be hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, fourth will be hydrogen. Here, this carbon has already satisfied the valency. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 1 hydrogen. Here also 3 means 1 hydrogen. And here also 1 hydrogen. Means if we will write down the molecular formula, 6 and 4, totally 10 carbons are there, and total how many hydrogens are there? Hydrogen are 8. And this is the molecular formula of what? Molecular formula of the name of the compound. Already you are aware with the particular name, naphthalene balls. You might be seeing the naphthalene balls. So this is the structure of the naphthalene. It can be denoted by like that also. This can be the structure. Another structure, ring structure, where we have given the bond, we can show it like that. We can show here and here. Another structure we can show, ring compound, double ring. Double ring means we can denote like this. Okay. So this is the structural formula of naphthalene. Name only indicate. This is the aromatic. Aroma means these are the sweet smelling solvent. So these are all the sweet smelling solvent. So this is all about what? This is all about the aromatic compound. So once again, now aromatic compounds are also divided into another type, which are there that we will see afterward. So closed chain compounds are divided into two parts. First one is the alicyclic compound, second is the aromatic compound. Alicyclic compounds are the cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, and it starts on the 3 carbon atom. And aromatic compounds, these are aromatic compounds are the first family member is the benzene, second is the naphthalene, third will be the triple ring compound, that is the anthracene, and so on. In this way, these are the aromatic compound. Okay. Now, aromatic compounds are divided into two parts that we will see in our next video. Thank you.